Evaluate log base 2 of 1 over 32 plus log base invisible 10 of 1,000. All right, when you have something in this form, log base b of y, and you're being asked to evaluate it, you're basically saying b to the I don't know is going to equal y. B to the what power is going to equal y. So in this case, you're thinking 2 to the what power is going to equal 1 over 32. So let's just say 2 to the x equals 1 over 32. Let's turn 32 into something with a base of 2, so 1 over 2 to the 5th. Rewrite that as 2 to the negative 5th. So you would say x equals negative 5. So log base 2 of 1 over 32 evaluates to negative 5. So this chunk becomes negative 5. Similarly over here, this is log base 10 of 1,000. This is a lot more pleasant. This one you're asking 10 to the what power gives me 1,000. Well, 10 to the third power gives me 1,000. What I need to do is I need to add these guys up, and negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So the answer is D in my southern accent.